Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's good, y'all? Welcome back. It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREAMERS. We got CORTIS. Is this their like debut? For real? Right? Last time Go was a hit, bro. At least to me. I don't know about to y'all. Some people liked it. Some people didn't like it. Some people were about it. I vibed with that ish, bro. But is this the official debut? But we're going to be checking out both the performance film, conceptual performance film, which it looks dope. And they're like on like treadmills or something like that, which I actually have one and I should be using it, which I'll be using it while editing this video. Hold me on that. We're going to be checking out in a separate video the MV itself. And then I'm going to probably do on Patreon, checking out their like profile. I'm going to upload that for free for y'all. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. It is for free. There are things for free over there, so go check it out. And if you want to support your boy, it is $1. You know, holla for $1. All right. Well, CORTIS, what you want conceptual, did I say that right? Conceptual performance film. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Oh. Sounds like a more rock bass than the last. Go. Those are the, oh, they glided with it? Like a OK Go. Isn't that the group called the OK Go band, which they use the treadmills that went viral? Put some stamps on my passport. Like alt rock? Interesting. They're all different colors too. They're like the Power Rangers. Take what you want. Enough is not enough, fill me up. Something like a team like Nirvana. Interesting take. This should hit a different like audience too. I'm pretty sure people are gonna like it or not like it or not feel it at the same time as Go, unless more people like this than Go. I'm very curious of the reaction to this, of everybody else's reaction. Ooh. My boy, tall as hell. I know there's more to you than just being tall. You're talented. I think that was Martin back then, right? You ready? I like the yellow outfit the best. What you want? Ooh. My boy can jump. Oh, did he almost trip? Hold up. Ooh. Wow. Maybe not. Okay. Ooh. What you want? Woo. Oh, he's serving. The one in the middle. Now I need to know their them as individuals more. I feel like I'm still more of a casual listener than like a fan yet, because obviously this is just the beginning. So that's why I'm gonna check out the profile thing later on Patreon. Come join me if you want. Ooh, I like that shot right here. Interesting filming, actually. similar choreo to Go for a second? Or am I tripping? What you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? They got their own handshake. God dang. Dang, his teeth are white. Sorry, man. I can see it from afar. Damn. Okay. Again, I need to get to know them a little bit more. This was interesting. I'm very curious to see the reaction. I know a few friends that that weren't feeling Go as much as everybody else. I like Go. I'm about that Go. But I want to see their opinions on this. Guys, put your opinions in the comments down below. What you guys think of CORTIS as a group? And what do you call it? Do you like Go or What You Want? I'm still a little bit on the Go side, even though this is pretty fire as well. But I don't know if I'll be. It really depends. My mindset in music, and I feel like people can change how they like a song the more they listen to, or it's just like sometimes it takes a little bit of a second for it to get into you. Pause? That sounds crazy. But What You Want is a different concept, like a totally 180 from Go in a way, at least in my opinion. All right, put a comment down below what you guys think of the conceptual performance film. I think the whole thing with like the treadmills was cool. Out in the desert, the color scheme is nice too. And can't wait to get to know more of CORTIS later. They definitely got my attention. All right, y'all. See you till next time. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Check out my Instagram, TikTok. I live stream on Twitch. Should I live stream on YouTube? Only thing is that I'll probably get copyrighted for live streaming like reactions like this. Maybe I'll do something else like gaming over there on YouTube maybe. But I do it on Twitch for now. So be sure to check out my Twitch if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys for the next video. All right. Peace. Groot ass. That's funny. Oh, he good draw. That's a good drawing.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.